Okay, I've been having quite a few technical difficulties, so we're just going to wing this. I'm about to show you what's in your kit. The first thing I wanted to start with is this. This is going to be like a temporary mat. If you can see, this is a non-stick mat that I'm working on, and there's lots of different types of mats. There's non-stick, there's glass, there's self-healing. Which mat you have just depends on what you're going to be working on the most. And since we don't know what type of crafts you want to do the most, we don't know what kind of mat you need. So I made you a temporary one. This takes the place of a non-stick, and this will come in handy when you do any inking. But also, whatever table you're working on, if you're not sure, about either the smoothness of the table or you don't want to scratch something, just use this. Okay, so today we're going to try to make the Jennifer McGuire mini envelope card. And these are your card bases. And there's 3 of them. We have You Are Awesome, You Are Treasured, and Have a Happy Day. Now, if you look, there's a little line across here. These are pre-scored. Scoring just means you've put a line in it so that when you fold it, you'll get a nice clean fold. However, I would suggest that you not fold these until you're done. When you fold it, it will look like this. They're top folding. But since we're going to be putting stuff on top of it, this is a 1-layer card, which means that you're going to be putting everything onto the actual card base. And the other way to do it is a 2-layer card where you have sort of a panel, and you would adhere everything to this panel and then tape this to the card base. When you're doing this, it doesn't matter if this is folded because this is flat. But the problem with doing a 1-layer card with it already folded is that it's not going to be flat. No matter what you do, you're always going to have a little bit of space. And when you're trying to, get stuff on there straight, having this move about on you is kind of a pain in the butt. So you're going to want to, for the time being, leave this unfolded. Do not fold these. Wait until you're done. Now these are going to make an A2 size card. There are 2 common standard card bases in the United States. The first one is A2, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And the way to remember it is it's A2. You can get 2 cards out of 1 sheet of 8 1/2 by 11 cardstock, or a copy paper size. So you slice it down the middle and then you fold it in half and you get 2 out of 1 sheet of paper. The other standard size is 5 by 7, and that is called A7. Here's the size comparison. And this one, you can only get 1 card out of 1 sheet of paper. Alrighty.